James Bond. James Bond. Bond is probably the most well-recognised spy in the world. Well, apart from that fella from Mission Impossible. Or say Bourne. Which is strange when you think about it. Spies are supposed to be hidden in the background, watching and listening, aren't they? See, Bond wouldn't have been a very good spy if he didn't listen, would he? But you're not James Bond, or a spy. Well, at least you're not going to tell anyone if you are, unless you're a truly terrible one. But what else makes a great spy? I mean, listener. How about the different types of listening skills, such as the difference between listening and simply hearing? How to improve your listening skills? What makes a great conversation? How to connect with people or building relationships? Which is what this course covers. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm still here. But I bet you listened then, didn't you?